Hello everybody and welcome back. This is the second video from Python for Hacking series, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a network scanner using only Python and by writing only 2 lines of code. Now, what a network scanner is a Python script that, or an executable, it can be any script, that when you run it lists you all the IP addresses with their MAC addresses paired list connected to your internet. So why this is useful? This is very useful if you are running, let's say, on a company and you want to know exactly who is connected to your internet, or even for your own personal use to see who is connected to your internet. Okay, so to do this we're going to install scapy. So if you are on Linux or Mac, type pip3 install scapy like that. You can see I have it installed. And if you are on Windows, type pip without the 3. Okay, now I'm going to open my Sublime text editor, and I have prepared the file for this. So all you need to do is type import scapy.all as scapy, so we don't have to write scapy.all every single time. And the second line is scapy, and we are going to use a function called arping. And now here you will have to scan for the VLAN you want, but to test out this, if you are on Windows, type ipconfig. If you are on Linux, type ifconfig on your terminal or command prompt, and all you need to see is the first 3 numbers. Don't look at the last. You need to see what is this number, right? So then type what you saw earlier, and then type .1 and then /24. So this will represent the range of the IP addresses you want to scan. So let's run this, and as you can see, it successfully scanned the network, and it scanned for all. It found one packet. It will have the MAC address and the actual IP address of this IP that sent it this packet. I hope you enjoyed the video, and for now, bye. Okay.